you have been hard at work and you feel it's time to ask for a promotion or a raise, but somehow you always feel frustrated when the time comes to speak up and you end up with nothing. Well, don't worry, because you are not alone. One of the main reasons our requests often get turned down is due to a lack of preparation. You see, by the time we're ready to ask for something we want, we have spent countless hours thinking about it, but the request has never even crossed the other party's mind. Successful promotions call for multiple conversations on the topic. If you're hoping to get a raise this year, you should have started discussing the topic 9 to 12 months in advance. Why? Because it allows you to get a feel for your organization's parameters and expectations. These discussions should be sparked on a monthly basis for at least 5 minutes. I encourage you to set up the first meeting, which will upgrade your negotiation strategy from static to dynamic. Let me know how it goes. See you next time. Nos vemos.